So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to track invoice payments in Xero. So firstly, this method is best for a quick daily check of what is currently sitting in your pipeline waiting to be paid. Just navigate to the Bills to Pay, click on the Business menu at the top of your Xero screen and then select Bills to Pay from the drop-down list. On the Bills page, you will see a list of bills categorized by status. Click specifically on the Awaiting Payment tab. This filters your view to show only the bills that are finalized and ready to be paid, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.